we need a plow plane. We're moving back into drawer making. This is the bottom drawer. This is the bottom of the bottom drawer. And what I need to do, as you can see, I need to run a groove in here to hold the bottom of the drawer. Alright, so that should be a 1/4 inch deep. So let's verify. And the whole time I'm pushing laterally against this fence. And again. Oh, come on, light, cooperate. There you go. So that is cutting the groove for your drawer bottom. Next, we're going to move on to the plywood bottom and getting it fit.